I'll when we reach over on the airport.
Yeah.
Is that what joint here too? Yeah, just go here. So we reach on the bottom so. Yeah? Gaza.
Yeah, I hear man, I hear. It's right now, I hear man. Yo, I got good days.
I thought it is bus.
Yeah man, I hear man.
Yeah, you should have brought the hat down here, right?
Yeah?
You understand?
And these?
Yeah. Well, the one I showed you at the other end of the beach.
I get one down there. My friend gave me one.
Did he? What'd you get?
A red one, free. Tall guy.
Oh, nice. Canada. Yay!
Right on.
Canada.
I told you I'm a lucky charm.
Yes.
Yes, the tall guy and then we're drinking the beer at the bar. The guy with the red hat. Tallest guy with the group. We're over on the next side.
Okay.
Yeah, he gave me the hat.
Nice.
He have an ice green and gold necklace. Make with beads in his neck. Yeah, he gave me that hat.
Nice. He knows his necklace.
No, I fixed it for him.
Oh, you fixed it for him?
Yeah, I fixed it. The necklace was bust. And then and how the person make it up, then they had a hook on it and the hook rotten. So I had to put a better one and make it over. Because some place you have two black, so I remove one of the two blacks and make it natural. And he give me this and give me a couple bucks.
See the birdies? Just all of a sudden it's a bird. But we've been twice in the market, in Amherst here and in Annandale Falls. I've never seen this. You know,
Thank you.
spices are everywhere. It seems like it's everywhere.
Yeah.
Where did we,
Few people can make this. Few people can make this.
Yesterday on the beach, you know, I was making that. Oh, really? Okay.
Wait, bananas?
Yeah.
Yeah,
no, we're at Rose. Oh, okay.
BBC Beach. Maybe Megas.
Rose Beach.
Rose Beach.
My schoolmate, Victor.
Making hats.
Victor.
Tall guy.
He is skinny like me.
Yeah, he was making hats.
Yeah.
Skinny man like me.
Did
Yeah.
you teach him?
No, we learned together from the same person.
Okay.
Victor. He got 11 kids, you know.
Omegas?
Yeah. One alone with in school right now. Out of the 11, all man big people now.
Yeah. You train away?
Yeah.
Okay. Bird.
The name of that little bird is, it's Cinnamon Cindy. Spice.
Cinnamon Cindy.
Yeah.
Where is not McNally?
She got nutmeg Nelly.
You got
Oh,
not
I got
McNally?
Sophie.
Saffron Sophie.
Yep. Saffron Sophie.
All right. That basket running. Are you running, sir? You on top speed. Hey.
Who your partner with making knife? He gone back already?
Yeah.
Man, give me a 699 boy.
He gone long since on the second batch.
Yeah, I guess I want a knife for them. For the bush. You know what I mean?
You put like this for packing and traveling. Look. Could be fit.
Perfect. Perfect.
Loop onto the outside. Tucks in at the wee bottom.
It'll turn brown after 6 months. You need to keep
15,
it warm.
15, 20 weeks time before changes color.
Yeah.
You need to
The last is 25, 35 years without brittle.
without preserving it at all. Well, you said you can lacquer it any color.
Yeah, because spray.
You can light coat, lacquer, spray paint, the varnish, which is not compulsory. It's all up to you when it's browned off.
Yeah.
But it remains for all the ages, natural like that.
Okay.
There you go, sweetheart.
We're all looking at you.
Well, I know, so how much you left?